Here comes Katie. One of her first crawling attempts. Oh, she's distracted by something on the floor.
Caitlin!
She won't do it now.
No, the camera's on.
Come on.
Hey, sweetheart.
Go. There she comes.
Well, that was lovely.
Oh, nose bubble.
Caitlin!
Look at that.
How's your mommy?
Hi.
You posing for the camera.
And then, and then I go to a sitting. Oh, I'm back to crawling.
Yay! Yay, what a good job! Yay! Mwah. Okay.
She's still going. Her legs are still going.
Look at Grandpa.
Like the Energizer Bunny. She just keeps going.
Yay, what a good job you did.
Yes, that was good.
Now put you down. No. Whoops.
Oh, okay, now.